I've been thinking, what can I say? What's really on my mind? Why do I get lost in thought?
Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this fabulous unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by YGwigs. So thank you so much YGwigs for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs and the unboxing and everything that I do to this unit, from dyeing it to the application to my first impressions, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so now I want to do the unboxing. So this is a unit from YGwigs.com. So here is how it looks. So it looks really luxurious. I love the way they have the bow, and I also love this box. So it does come with a thanks card. So these are all the things you can expect. And this is a wig cap as well as clips. It did come with two. I'm going to show you guys the other one, and they are by Tony and Guy. It also comes with elastic band as well as combs for your unit as well, so you can use them as needed. I think that that's really good because you might need combs and elastic bands, so that's perfect. And then here's the bag that it comes in, and I think that's really nice for storage purposes in case I don't want to keep the box. And then here's the unit. So now I'm going to show you guys the cap construction. It does come with 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, this is a 360 unit. This is actually their Brazilian straight 360 unit. It is 180% density, and it is in the natural color. So I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of the hairline. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and also the parting space is really, really nice. So it looks really, really nice straight out of the box, which is also a good thing. You don't have to go in and bleach the knots. I am, but you can just go ahead and add the powder because you guys see how good it looks. And I'm just showing you guys that it can go up in a ponytail if you would like, because as I mentioned before, this is a 360 unit. Now I'm just going to show you guys pretty much like what I've done to the unit, and I'm just going to let you guys see because you can clearly see what I'm doing and all the products that I'm using. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch.
Turn up the vibe, bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe, bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe, bad man, turn up the vibe. No, original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
Okay divas, so this is pretty much all I'm gonna do to the hair. Up until this point, you guys are able to see like everything that I did to this hair. I wanted to make sure that I shared that with you guys so that you guys can know like exactly what I did to the hair, the process and everything, just so that, you know, like if you have any questions about the color, which I don't know, maybe you won't like the, I don't know how you guys will feel about the color. I really like this. I feel like it screams fall, and I knew I wanted to do something for fall just because fall is approaching, and I didn't want to do like a blonde color or anything because I know, like, you know, I'm gonna want to wear something that's a little bit darker, but I figured I'll switch it up for you guys and not just wear like a 1B or a 1. I decided to go with this beautiful auburn brown. Now it is hard to see it with my lighting, like outside and in person you can see like how brown it is, but right now it just looks kind of like a number 4, but it is like a lighter brown. And then of course I have like my little blonde at the top that I had, or it's more of like a honey blonde brown. It's not so much of a blonde like I was expecting, but I still do like it, and I left the roots just so that it could look more natural. So overall, so far with this unit, I really do like it. I love the cap construction. The hair is really soft. I love the natural texture of the hair after I washed it. I love the texture that it had when it came, but when I washed the hair, it was like more of a yucky natural type of texture, and I really did like that. So I probably will like curl the hair after it's like freshly washed, so that the curls can be like, you know, like very juicy and voluminous. So I would definitely be curling this hair because I want you guys to see you know, like how the hair curls and everything. I'm gonna come back with update videos. I know I haven't did update videos on the human hair units, or any units for that matter, and that's just because it has been hot, you guys. Like this summer is hot, so you know I am gonna come through with those, and using a hot tool like is a struggle. Like I had to put iron this hair today and it was a struggle because I was like dripping in sweat. So but I got it done, and I'm glad I did because it's absolutely gorgeous. Like you guys, this hair is so soft, it's so full, it's beautiful. But yeah, I just pretty much wanted to come and share what I did with you guys, the unboxing after I install it, everything that I've done to it. I just wanted you guys to know what I did so that you guys won't have those questions like, well, what do you do to the hair and all this stuff. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys, and this is pretty much just like my first impression. So overall, my first impression of the hair is that it is very soft. The cap construction is very nice. Now, as I know this is a 360 unit, you guys know that I typically do not wear my hair like up or anything unless it's like a half up, half down. So I may do something like that, but I don't typically wear my hair up. If you guys would like for me to do like a up style on my mannequin, then I will gladly do that, but I just don't personally. If I want to wear a ponytail or something, I will do that with my own hair. That's just me personally. I may change my mind in the future, I don't know, but if you guys would like to see how to do it up to with a 360 unit, then I will probably do it on my mannequin head at the moment. That's just what I'm thinking right now. But yeah, divas, I will be coming back with update videos. Let me know what videos you guys want to see first. I know I'm going to do a video on how I get this hair to be this straight, because as you guys know, it is a Brazilian texture, so that means that, you know, it may be a little bit harder to get it, you know, straight. I didn't show you guys like everything in the video. I just wanted to show you guys that I actually straightened it. So if you guys want to see that, I will do a video on that soon, as well as curling this hair as well and switching up the parting and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it, divas. I will have all the links down in the description box below in case you guys do want to check those out. They will definitely be there. And if you guys did enjoy this video, then make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you found it helpful and easy to follow, then give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment. I can't even talk. Be sure to leave me a comment down in the comment section below if you guys have any questions or anything, or if you tried out a unit from this company, or just if you have any questions. I am very willing to answer any questions that you guys have, and I would love to communicate with you lovely divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos, girl. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.